Kia ora koutou, it's your Kamakofinga here, and I'm really excited. I'm so excited. I feel like jumping up and down, but I can't, obviously, just look. Anyway, the reason why I'm excited is because I'm going to be a part of the New Zealand International Comedy Festival. That's right, the New Zealand International Comedy Festival. First time. I was born in New Zealand back in 74. I'm 46 now. Been doing comedy for over 20 years. And first time, I'm part of New Zealand International Comedy Festival. Thank you, COVID. If it wasn't for COVID, they wouldn't even ask me, because there'll be heaps of international people coming over, and they'll be like, Fair, you have to buy a ticket to come watch these guys. But I'm going to be a part of it. I'm so happy. Please come and watch the show. Come and sell it out. First time you're Kamakofinga being in the comedy festival, so got shows in Auckland, Wellington, all our people and other people come and sell at the show. Make it special, not just for me, but for you as well, and the New Zealand International Comedy Festival, first time. It was 50 years, and they found me first time. I'm so excited. Thank you very much, New Zealand International Comedy Festival. Yeah!
Are you ready for a show?
It's great to be back on stage. You know, I remember watching the news, and they had all these Australians fighting for toilet paper. I knew that coronavirus, can give you respiratory problems, but not aspiratory problems. It was getting crazy. And then we had the lockdowns, and I was like, because I love my family, but not that much, The way that I was raised was old school Samoan. My first language was Samoan. The only people I knew were Samoan, church was Samoan, culture was Samoan, our food was Chinese. In our house, you only get called once. Finger, oh, whoa. I could be asleep, finger, oh. I could be in the bathroom, finger, yo. Yep. The place I want to be at, first performance, Auckland. And that's why I'm here in Palmerston North.
It was awesome. Enjoyed it.
So funny, heaps of fun, and real relatable. Yeah, I love it.
It was great. I felt like I'm gonna lose my voice from laughing.
I really enjoyed it. Definitely recommend.
He's really one of a kind.